What's up, y'all? It is your girl Shay, and you are watching Glamplified Beauty. Did you miss me? If y'all are wondering why I still got the same makeup on from my last video, it's because I filmed it in the same day. Yes, I filmed it in the same day. I was trying to do, as my twin said, batch record. So this is what I'm doing. This is how I'm spending my weekend, recording videos. So Gia, if y'all are new, welcome to my channel. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button so y'all can become of the hashtag #GlamDoll gang. And make sure you hit that like button. That helps me out a lot. That makes sure that I'm popping up on your screens. And hit that notification bell as well. That way when I do pop up on the screen, you can see me. Anyway, I'm about to show y'all how I edit my videos. So if y'all want to see, well, not edit my videos, how I edit and take pictures, okay? So this video is sponsored, by the way. It is sponsored, but we'll get back into that in a minute. So if y'all want to know what the product is that I use to do my selfies to post on my Instagram, y'all stay tuned. Stay tuned, boo-boo.
I know when you text me, girl, I don't always reply. Well, you're not.
Okay, y'all barely gonna see my face, okay? So I'm gonna have it right here on all the stuff that I do to edit my videos. So I'm going to, if y'all don't have go record it. I mean, go go download it. So it's a screen recorder for your phone. So I went to there, then I opened up my, what did I open up? My Facetunes 2, and then I found the picture that I did from Insta Beauty. From there I went to what did I go to, y'all? I went to paint. I went to paint, and then I went to tone, and I'm trying to find a color that is close to my highlight shade so I can just, you know, highlight it up a little bit. So I'm just going down through the colors after I clicked the tone, and I picked this yellow shade, but then I realized that the yellow shade was not popping for me. It wasn't good, but it wasn't bad. It just looked mustardy. So I decided to change all of that and go with the lighter shade. So that is what I'm doing here. And y'all could just play with the colors. Just play until you find what's comfortable for you, what's good for you, all that good jazz. So I figured this white one would be the best, so I went with white to highlight everything, and y'all can see it just changing and brightening up just a little bit more. So here I am doing that on my cheekbones, just a little bit. I don't do it that much. I barely edit my pictures, y'all, but when I do, this is exactly what I do. So going with the nose, trying to brighten up that nose. And then I changed my background. So I go to backdrop, and I have to pay for this, y'all. So if y'all don't pay for it, you can't use it. So I'm not paying for it. So I'm gonna go to backdrop. I'm gonna click auto. The auto picture is gonna pop up. I'm gonna go to a background that I like. So I'm just gonna go through them till I find one. It's gonna take a while, y'all. I was gonna go with this one, but I was like, no, need something else. So I just kept going through all my pictures, all my videos, everything, until I found one that was good. Here we go, trying them out, seeing how they look. Nope, 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 nope. Keep going. Nope. Then I saw this rainbow one. I was like, yes, okay, that's it. That's the one to use. So that's what I went with. And it looked like the rainbow's coming out of my hair. Boom, bow, yes, honey. So then I just screenshot it, and that is it. That is all. So that is all, y'all. I hope y'all enjoy this video. I hope I helped some people who had some problems or wanted to know how I edit my videos, or not videos, edit my pictures for Instagram, I do want to say thank you to Dose of Vanity for sending me this selfie light, because it is everything and more, and I'm about to take me some pictures right now with it. So yeah, y'all gonna see some selfie moments right now, so let's get your selfie on.
They painted me out to be the bad guy. Well, it's the last time you're gonna see a bad guy do the rap game like me.